You may be having a nice time with your family, for a few days on a holiday, for a few hours at the nearby mall, for a few minutes in your living room. But all it takes is a fraction of a second and a spark in your kitchen to change everything. But you can prevent this. Introducing GasFuse, the ultimate kitchen safety device. GasFuse helps you detect gas leakage and prevents accidents with its emergency shut-off facility. It also shows the level of gas in the LPG cylinder and helps reduce gas consumption. It comes with product liability insurance and a 3-year product warranty. GasFuse is also approved by the Explosive Department of India. GasFuse keeps you and your family safe, prevents damage to your property, and gives you peace of mind. Installing GasFuse is really simple. It only takes 4 steps. Remove the regulator. Fix GasFuse. Fix the regulator on GasFuse. Press the GasFuse gauge 2 to 3 times. And you're done. Your device is activated. You are now safe. GasFuse is available in 2 variants, vertical and horizontal if you have less space above the LPG cylinder. So what are you waiting for? Keep your family safe, protect your property, and have peace of mind. For every fraction of a second, every minute, every day, every time. Get GasFuse for safe gas use. Contact us now.